guys, Mick here from Capelli's. We're here for Friday RV Cooking episode 4. I'm here with Noel from Green RV. How are you, mate?
Good, Mick. How are you today? Good?
Yeah, fantastic,
all good.
mate.
The weather's not great for us, but the location is.
Yep.
We're at Kenilworth Homestead here. As you can see, it's a spectacular park right on the Mary River.
Just on top of the river. It's awesome. Yep.
Got you the Blackline, NextGen Blackline Family van to cook in.
It's a good setup in there, mate, that's for sure.
No, it's very good. So,
yep.
What's cooking today?
Oh, today, mate, we're going to do some Caravan snapper and some salmon. We're going to bake it off the oven in some baking paper with a few different flavours. But you're going to love it, mate, that's for sure.
Oh, sounds wonderful, mate. Can't wait. Get in there and get started.
See you soon. Alright guys, let's get into it. Today we're doing the baked salmon, as we mentioned earlier. We've got some here on the fridge. We've got 2 pieces of salmon and one of Caravan snapper. We're doing 3 different flavours, if you like. We're doing an Asian style, one with beans and leek, and another one with asparagus and potato. Actually, I'll get the baking paper set out. So we've got 3 bits. Okay, we're just doing some julienne carrot and zucchini to go with the Asian style. We'll do a bit of garlic and ginger as well. It's sort of like a one pot dish. It's a 1 piece of baking paper dish, so it's all the vegetables and fish are in the one piece of paper. You bake it in the oven and out she comes ready to go onto the plate. So we've put some carrots. We're going to do some kaffir lime, bit of ginger, bit of garlic, some coriander. If you don't like coriander, don't put it in. We're going to do a dash of sesame oil. We're also just going to put some these little baby capsicums in just for a bit of sweetness. A few springies as well. Just on top. One of the salmons will go on there. So our next dish we're moving on to will be the potato and asparagus. So we'll just do, you'll probably get away with 4 pieces per dish. Yeah, raw potato, just thinly sliced. In she goes. A bit of potato, some dill, the sea salt. We've got some diced butter that we prepared earlier, straight on top. So the other one is with the beans. So we'll do 5 beans. We've got there 6, 3, 4. We'll do 5. Keep it even. Tail those. Some dill again, but this one we're going to put some leek with it, and then we'll finish it off with some lemon. We've got some lemon to go on the bottom. Where's my lemon? This one. So just a few slices on each one as well. There we have it. And chew. Bit of salt on that one. And some butter. Alright, we're going to put the fish on and roll it up. Hey Noel, do you want to come and do this? Oh, there you are.
I'm here, mate, I'm here.
Where'd you come from?
I've been here for half an hour watching.
Nice. We'll do the salmon on the potatoes and beans, and the snapper just on the asparagus and potatoes.
So this is quite simple, Mick, isn't it? It's just
beans,
leek, a bit of potato, a bit of dill.
Yeah, a bit of dill, yeah. And you've got your meal all in one little package.
Bit of salt and pepper.
Bit of salt and pepper.
Yep.
One of the we're going to put some bacon rub on the on this salmon just to mix it up a bit.
Yeah, yeah.
Surf and turf, mate. You know what it's like. So we're just going to do a dash of orange juice on each one just to keep it moist as well. You can do wine.
So what's that? That'll blend in with the
butter and just keep it moist.
Yep.
Yep. So it's something like a tablespoon, pretty much. You don't need much.
Yeah. Just keeps that moisture in there.
It does, fantastic. And now we're going to roll them up. So you just bring the sides up. Yeah,
I'll try this one.
Good idea. Bring the sides up. So we'll crank out that scrabble shortly, mate, with that rain coming down while we're waiting for this to cook.
Yeah, I've had a bit of a little head start on it. Look at that, Mick.
You have done this before.
You need an apprentice.
Fantastic. All right, voila. There's lunch sorted, mate. So you can put that in the fridge for 4 or 6 hours, get into your scrabble, 5 o'clock, crank it in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes, moderate oven.
What, 180?
180.
180, something like that, yeah.
Bring it out, and we'll show you how to do it later.
Oh, beautiful.
Too easy. All right, on the rack, and she goes. All right, we're going to crank this rice for the Asian salmon. You want to sort that microwave out, mate?
We're on a non-powered side, Mick.
Seriously?
Yeah. Why don't we
What
just
are we
throw
gonna
it in the water?
Seriously. You've got it sorted, mate. I'm out of here. All right, Noel, that fish is in the oven.
All done, Mick.
Yeah, let's
we'll
finish off this scrabble, mate.
Yeah,
Yep.
finish off this game, mate.
I
And
think
then
I've got a cracker to nail it with. I've got the scores here.
sure go, mate. So,
And you're just in front, but I'm going to kill you with this one, brother.
you know what this is going to say.
Jeepers. Looks like it's your shout, brother.
And, mate, I think it's a great way to finish
at
the
that.
game, mate.
Thank you, mate.
Great job.
Hey,
Good work, Mick.
killed it. All right, let's grab some plates, plate this up. Beauty. 1, 2, 3. We've got our bacon fish, Asian style, which you're looking at, Noel.
That's mine.
You're all over that,
Don't mind a bit Asian.
and that one there. So we just got some rice with the first one. Here we go. Just some steamed potato on the next one, and a few wedges that we did. A little bit of salad, just to tweak it up. Nothing too special. Bit of cos, the baby cos we bought at the supermarket.
Yep.
Down an IGA there in Kenilworth. A few onions.
Your onion.
Happy days. And all we have to do, mate, is get into it.
Unfold it?
Unfold it, yeah, just unfold it.
Look at that.
Hey, how's the aromas on that one, mate?
Oh my God. It smells amazing, Mick. Oh.
This will be interesting. Bacon fish. Good skills. All right, mate. Thanks for bringing the Blackline out to Kenilworth Homestead.
Yeah, thanks for having me again.
It's been fantastic. We'll see you on episode 5.
We'll have a new location.
Fantastic.
And something special to cook.
I'm looking forward to the Pilbara.
It's going to be wonderful. Thanks, mate. Thanks for having me.